Hello friends, I am Ajit Agarwal and in this class of chemistry, we will discuss you this last part of organic chemistry. Here, I will discuss you about alkyne. After alkane, alkene and this is alkyne. These are the reactions which will come in your board exam. First, we will discuss what is the general formula of alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. What type of hydrocarbon is this? Like alkene, this is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here bond type is carbon-carbon triple bond. In alkene, there is carbon-carbon double bond. The first member of alkyne series is C2H2. Like that of alkene, you will start with 2 carbon here in this general formula. Not you will take single carbon. Its IUPAC name is ethine. For 2 carbon, you will use word root eth. And because this formula comes from CnH2n minus 2, therefore it is said to be ine, which is general formula of alkyne. Its common name is acetylene. Structure formula is HC triple bond CH, and condensed formula is HC triple bond CH, in which you don't need to show single bond. Next, lab preparation of ethine. You can prepare the ethine by means of calcium carbide and cold water. Because reaction is highly exothermic, therefore you will use cold water. Gives out ethine and calcium hydroxide. In this molecular form, you will use calcium carbide, whose structure formula is like this, Ca, and there C triple bond C along with calcium. This is CaC2, calcium carbide. You will take 2 molecules of water, HOH type. Here you can see that these 2 carbon along with hydrogen from water, it will form ethine, CH triple bond CH plus this Ca and 2 OH will form calcium hydroxide. Here this is ethine, or its common name is acetylene. This is Wald equation and this is balance equation. Here is general method of preparation. Like alkene, in which you have used that dehydrohalogenation reaction of alkyl halide. The same manner, we will also use dehydrohalogenation reaction of ethylene dibromide. You will use this expression CC-Br, 2Br will attach to 2 single carbon along with 4 hydrogen atom. While in that ethyl bromide, only 1 Br group is attached to alkyl group. Plus alcoholic KOH will use as the same as that in case of alkene. 2 molecules of KOH you will use a 2 Br and 2K will form 2K Br. 2H from these 2 carbon and 2OH from this group form 2 molecular water. Here you will see that if 2 Br and 2H are removed, then there will 2 extra bond, means triple bond will form in between these 2 carbons. This is ethine. So this is general method. Only one lab preparation and one general method you have to prepare for a board exam. Now we will discuss what are the chemical property of ethine. Before the start of chemical property, I want to share one notice that I have included the link of alkane and alkene in the description box. If you have to determine what are the properties of alkane and alkyne, you can check from them. Now, like alkene, alkyne also show addition reaction, in which first is catalytic hydrogenation. Like alkene, that I have told you that hydrogenation takes place in presence of catalysts like nickel, platinum, palladium at 3 degree. The alkane is formed. In this, there are 2 steps. In first step, triple bond breaks down to form double bond and finally to single bond, and then reaction will come to stop. When ethine react with hydrogen, 1 bond get broken down and 2 H atom will connected to these 2 carbon to form ethene. After that, if you add hydrogen, again this double bond, one of the bond of double bond will broken down, which is a weaker bond, only single bond will left, and you will attach 2 hydrogen atom to complete valency. Therefore, you can see that first ethine to ethene and ethene to ethane is formed. This type of reaction may come in a conversion type, like if you have to convert ethine to ethane, then you will use these two steps. Halogenation reaction. In the same manner as you have done this hydrogenation reaction, you will add chlorine to ethine. First, triple bond change to double bond, and you will add chlorine atom to each of two carbon, resulting in the formation of 1,2-dichloroethene. Ethene is so because there is double bond. And finally, if you add one molecule of chlorine more, then double bond will change to single bond, and you will add two chlorine atom to these two carbon. Now overall there are 4 chlorine atom attached to these two carbon. 2 chlorine attached to first carbon, you will write its name as 1,1, and 2 chlorine to second carbon, you will write 2,2. Overall 4 chlorine atom are there, then its name will be 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethane. In the same manner you will add bromine. No change is there, only atom will change. Like 2 bromine, if you add 2 bromine atom to carbon double carbon, acetylene dibromide or 1,2-dibromoethene is formed, and finally 4 bromine atom you will add. But this reaction also serve as test for unsaturation of ethine like that of ethene. It will also decolorize the reddish brown color of bromine water. And finally iodination reaction. This is the last reaction of alkyne series as well as for your course in organic chemistry. Iodination of ethine is so difficult, therefore only single product is formed having double bond. C double bond C, and you will add 1 atom of iodine to first carbon and 1 to second carbon. Then you will get acetylene dibromide or 1,2-diiodoethene. Okay, this is a final reaction. Beside this, you have to learn the uses of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and share my video, and keep watching my channel PCM Class by Ajit Agarwal. Thank you.